9. Executing the garden path macro. A public subroutine, also known as a macro, can be executed from the AutoCAD user interface. In the following steps, you will learn to execute and use the garden path macro from the AutoCAD user interface. In AutoCAD, click Manage tab, Application Menu, Runthemacro, VBA macro. So AutoCAD here, and you go to Application Panel, Manage tab, Application Panel. You will say Run Script, Run VBA macro. Note you can execute the garden path macro using VBA run command at the command from -VBA run. So you can do -VBA run, okay, and put the macro name, but we'll run the macro there. Okay, so at the macro name you enter that garden. Okay, so let's try it. That's VBA run. Now it should be -VBA run, and then type in that. Macro is not found. Interesting. I'm gonna see that some macro name is from the beginning. Interesting. That's alright. I'm gonna run using VBA macro, and in the macro dialog box, select the drawing macro and click run. This is a macro. Click run. Specify start point path, second point, radius at time, input keyword. Okay, so it's different. I'm gonna run it again. Start the end point, specify the width. Width is just maybe 3, radius of tiles maybe 1. No, 1 is too big. 0.5. Space between tiles 0.1. Okay, so that's working now. That's fantastic. It's beautiful, really. How can make that beautiful? From start point to end point, and then draw all the stuff inside there. And you see the space is very neat and beautiful. And you know, of course, the last one is not very nice, but that's already good. And that's it. That's how to execute the garden path macro. VBA run, macro name, maybe check the macro name there. So which is garden path, which is I'm gonna check that one. Garden, okay. So it's gonna be garden path, DBD, garden path. Yeah, DBD. Seed drawing garden path. Not found. I think it should be just seed drawing garden path. Yep, that's gonna work. So that's the way it won't work. So I just want to show it again here. Here the path width probably 5, the radius is 1, the segment is 2. Looks like that. But it seems that in Autolips it's more visual. You click here, and click here, and click here, and enter a GUI or a dialog box. But the code with Visual Basic is much easier. So I think I'm gonna go for VBA. And because if you know VBA, you can use in ArcGIS as well. There's a lot of things in ArcGIS now also running in VBA, and Excel as well if you want. Yep, very convenient between Excel and VBA to Excel. And I'm going to show it again here, how to run it. VBA run, and I'm going to choose this drawing garden path, and then put in the first point, the second point, the width of the garden 4, the radius is 1, or maybe the one is smaller, 0.75, and the spacing is very small, 0.1, and then you're gonna have a garden path looks like that, beautifully drawn. What happens if you do manually? It will take you forever to make this. So that's it for executing the garden path macro, which is part 9 of the tutorial designing a garden path using VBA.